Before making any adjustments to the seat matters chairs, lock the 2 brake casters at the back of the chair for safety. To replace the back on a Milano, using a 5mm Allen key, we remove the 4 bolts that's holding the back in place. Then, using the same Allen key, we remove the 5 bolts that screw the handle to the back. Once we've removed the last bolt, that allows us then to remove the back from the frame completely. To fit the new back, just slide it back into place. First of all, choose what height we want it. And screw that bolt in. Then screw the remaining bolts in. Once the back's securely fitted, we can then reconnect the push handles.